What is the price in Bangalore? 80. Around 80. So your state government is taking away 20 rupees from your pocket with every liter of petrol day. Now with Modi at center, you can hope to get this price down even if the state government remains like this, because this price is directly linked with dollar. Atal ji jab gaye us samay dollar 37 rupees tha. The real value of dollar is even today 25 rupees. Power purchase power parity, अगर आप ले लें तो dollar is nothing beyond 25 rupees. I still remember Mahajan telling me in 2002 when I was Chief Minister of the state that it would be golden day for India when rupee is accepted as an international currency in par with dollar, euro and many other currencies. Why not? Slowly yen is becoming a acceptable currency in many places, and probably China, who doesn't want it as an international currency, that's why they are restricting it. There is no free trade of yen versus dollar, and that is the reason, because they want to export more. लेकिन जब आप अच्छी सरकार दे देंगे, उस समय I'm pretty sure this dollar, which had gone up to 67, can come down to at least 50, if not 45. And that is good economics, and that is towards moving towards the real value of rupee. 67 था, अभी 60 तक आ गया. Just imagine, आने वाला है मोदी, इसके लिए नीचे नीचे डॉलर आने लगा. I saw yesterday that the government kitty, foreign exchange kitty, has crossed back again 300 billion mark because of foreign direct investment which is flowing in over the last 2-3 weeks. And anticipation itself is giving a positive vibe to the economy. And economy kaisi chalega? How will you get a growth rate? Your coal mines are shut. You don't have courage to go before the court and tell them that we will do this, because if you go before the court, they may send you to the jail. It is not job of the courts to administer mining policy of this government. But this government is in total chaos. And it is an unpleasant scenario where the Supreme Court has to monitor. I think it is job of the government to monitor, but monitor it with transparency. Wherever you show that transparency, there is no question. आप पावर परचेस कर रहे हैं, इधर घरेलू पावर की क्या कीमत है मुझे मालूम नहीं है, लेकिन करीबन 4 रुपया होगी. What is your domestic? We are 1 rupee 20 paisa in Goa. For the first 150 units, 1 rupee 60 paisa for the next up to 500 units, and it is 2 rupees 20 paisa about 250 units for residential. Electricity department in Goa does not make a loss, but it has first time come in red because of this coal scam. Because of coal scam, the NTPC power, thermal power stations are charging surcharges now for imported coal, which is 3 to 4 times the Indian coal prices. So, इधर से mine बंद, export बंद, वहाँ से coal बंद. So we are importing iron ore, we are importing coal. The nation is poorer by $30 billion in terms of foreign exchange. Why will your dollar not rise? You are paying more for petroleum product because of it. You have to have a good industrial, mining, everything policies, and your dollar will start coming down. Your petroleum prices also will start coming down. So you can also get a cheaper petrol. I don't know whether your state government will have the guts to reduce the VAT like I did. In spite of losing 25% of revenue, we brought petrol to 5 paisa per liter. Tax is 5 paisa, and that is also for monitoring. Otherwise, you lose the record. So we have just kept 5 paisa tax. Now it is 6 paisa, 0.1% tax on the petroleum product. It's not only petroleum product. I have got schemes which if I just start rattling out, you will get shock of your life. Every girl when she attains 18, she gets 1 lakh rupee deposit. Every girl
Every household
in the state. Or when those who have already crossed 18, when they are getting married. Because I found this is not populistic scheme. They are popular scheme, but not populistic. Popular because obviously they are going to be popular, because if someone gets 1 lakh rupees, obviously the scheme is going to be popular, but they are not populistic. The reason of this scheme was very clear. We started it within 3 months of coming into power, not near the election. Because I found in 2011 census in Goa, so-called well-educated state with 92% literacy level, girls to boys ratio at 938 to 1000. There are two issues. Where are the 62 girls missing? You are talking about women empowerment. Start it from the bottom. In an educated state, if the girl is thought as a burden on the society, there is something wrong in our society. The social problem which will come after 20 years or 25 years when they marry and 62 boys per 1000 will have no girl to marry is a different issue altogether, but it is going to happen after 25 years. I am a student of genetics. I love genetics very much. And I know very much that generations has to face this social problem. So, हमारे इसमें क्या है? बेटी धनाची पेटी. That means the girl is considered as a Lakshmi. I introduced this scheme to make it realize that at 18, when a girl turns 18, the family gets 1 lakh for her education, for her business, and if required for the marriage. We did it to empower. I am very happy to inform you that the ratio has now changed to 960 to 1000. And slowly that equality concept is coming in. Even the poor section slowly realizes that girl has to be treated with the same stature. In fact, sometimes girl can be more beneficial to the father and mother. They take care more. The boys don't know. But anyway, you have to keep it's not only talking, you have to get it done. Basically, we have a scheme where every housewife gets 1,000 rupees as an inflation bonus. The central government talks of cash transfer. I started cash transfer in 2002 under DSS. Every age above senior citizen, widow, differently able kid gets between 2,000 to 3,500 rupees per month pension, and mind you, 28% of the families in the state benefit out of it. It is not a very small program. It's covering 28% program. Every married woman gets 1,000 rupees per month in her bank account, cash transfers. So instead of running those PDS schemes where a lot of leakages takes place, you can have this kind of scheme. What I am trying to talk out is ultimately manifestos are what you deliver. They cannot be what you talk and keep quiet about it. I don't understand what Rahul talks as it is. He says, देखिए मैं 4 बार देखा. When he says सोचिए, I tried to think. I never understood what he said. नींद आ रही थी तो भी मैं बैठा. Because I missed his last interview and realized that this interview, though the interviewer was getting jittery about his answers, probably there was slight more coaching, but no originality. I pity the fellow, but India deserves better. India doesn't deserve it. He is not definitely to be charitable to you, is definitely not more than average. This is my reading about the leader, which Congress is presenting or Congress is shying away with. You can't keep leaders hidden like this. Leader has to have natural ability. And therefore, when India is at crossroad, we have to be very clear that there has to be someone sitting there who is capable along with his group. See, mind you, a lot of people say Gujarat, Modi is only one.
My question is very simple. Last 9 months, from September, Modi ji is moving all around the country, campaigning, and still Gujarat is running, is it not? Your wife will tell you, it's still running equally well. That means there is a second in command. There are other people who may not be the face. It always happens that one person, when he delivers well, he becomes the face. The same allegation comes against me in Goa. But people don't walk out and vote with 78% for Lok Sabha. Last Lok Sabha in Congress regime was 56%. So you have got 22% right. Unless they are motivated to vote. Unless they are motivated by the government to go out and vote. Or by someone. So basically you are getting 10-12% rise everywhere across the country. So you can very well add 10% additional because of my government in Goa. Obviously I am going to be the face of it. I can't, though I don't intend many times. It does appear, and government advertisement, I don't allow my face to be posted on government advertisement. But party I will have to, because if it attracts more vote, definitely it will have to come. But we need governments which can deliver the manifesto. It's not only manifesto. So you understand very clearly, simplicity is good, but deliverable is important, character is important. And how does deliverable come? It has to come through the same system. Many times the problem is, it is same system through which once one big industrialist in CII meeting called me as the chief executive of Goa. मुझे गोवा का chief executive कहा. मैं बोला आप chief executive lucky है, because you can change your colleagues and you can also decide your subordinates. मेरे इसमें मेरे कलीग सिलेक्ट नहीं करता हूँ, लोग करते हैं. ऑल MLAs इलेक्टेड. जैसे लोग इलेक्ट करते हैं उनको, वैसे वो आ जाता है. उसकी कैपेबिलिटी क्या है मैं जज नहीं कर सकता हूँ. प्री जज वेरी रेयरली होता है. वन कॉन्सेप्ट विच राहुल वॉज ट्राइंग टू एक्सप्लेन इज सिलेक्शन ऑफ कैंडिडेट टू पब्लिक, मोर पार्टिसिपेशन. आई थिंक टू एन पॉइंट he has a point there, but he was not able to explain it properly. He was trying to compare it with presidential. एक बार आप कर रहे हैं presidential type का, ओबामा का compare कर रहे हैं, तो बाद में मोदी में क्या बुराई है? हम लोग वही कर रहे हैं. इस राष्ट्र में personality does count, और पर्सनैलिटी भी होगी तो 120 करोड़ के लोगों में कोई ऐसा ही एक आदमी चुन के नहीं सबको ला सकता है. उसके साथ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन रहता है, टीम रहती है, सब लोग रहता है. केवल अकेला फेस रहेगा, लेकिन अकेला आदमी कुछ नहीं कर सकेगा. इतना बड़ा देश है, ये छोटा नहीं है. गोवा में मैं अकेला कुछ नहीं कर सकता हूँ, तो पूरे देश में 120 करोड़ में कौन करेगा. लेकिन एक चीज़ ध्यान में रखिए, सेम ब्यूरोक्रेसी से आपको लेना है. ब्यूरोक्रेसी, यू कैन सी दैट बॉटल ऑफ वाटर, 2 बॉटल्स है. दूर से आपको किसमें पानी है किसमें पानी नहीं है और कौन सा आधा भरा है समझेगा नहीं. Because bureaucracy is like that water. It doesn't have color. It doesn't have shape. अलग अलग कंपनी का अलग अलग बॉटल की शेप रहती है. पानी ऐसा ही शेप में आ जाता है. उसको टेस्ट नहीं है. पानी को आप पीते हो, टेस्ट कुछ लगता नहीं, बास नहीं है उसको. इट्स कलरलेस, ओडरलेस. बेसिक केमिकल केमिस्ट्री में जब लिक्विड सीखते हैं उस समय पानी का गुण क्या है, तो उसमें रंग नहीं, रूप नहीं, बास नहीं, आकार नहीं. ब्यूरोक्रेसी इज लाइक दैट. यू उसमें अगर आप शरबत डालें बॉटल में तो इट विल स्टे, इट विल टेस्ट गुड, स्वीट. सो मोदी जी का शरबत डालो, आपको अच्छा सरकार मिलेगी. लेकिन अगर आपने उसमें पॉइजन डाल दिया तो आपको कांग्रेस की सरकार. मुझे याद है एक स्टोरी आई टेल वेरी ऑफन, कम्स टू माय माइंड अगेन, हाउ ब्यूरोक्रेसी फंक्शंस. There is a big city with a big zoo, and the zoo has 2 lions in it. अभी 2 लायन है, तो उसमें से one of the lion is caught from the jungle and brought in the zoo. दूसरा जो लायन है वो दूसरे एक जू में उसका जन्म हुआ था, इनब्रेड. जू में ही बड़ा हुआ था और बाद में यहाँ लाया था ये जू में. So one who was caught from the jungle is to always tease the other one, saying that अरे तुमने कभी जंगल देखा नहीं, कभी शिकार नहीं की, खाते हो तो फेंका हुआ मटन खाते हो, पकड़ के लाया हुआ मटन नहीं. मैंने जिंदगी में वही पकड़ के लाया मेरा प्रे और खाया. अभी पकड़ा गया तो इसके लिए इधर आ गया, लेकिन तुम डरपोक हो, तुमको कुछ जमेगा नहीं. One night the zookeeper forgets to lock it. उसको लॉक लगाने के भूल गए, तो ये दोनों बाहर आ गए, दरवाजा खुला था, बाहर आ गए. अभी फ्रीडम मिल गया तो ऑटोमेटिकली द वन हु वाज कॉट फ्रॉम जंगल सेज दैट मैं जंगल में भाग जाता हूँ, मुझे वापिस ये लोग पकड़ नहीं सकेंगे करके जंगल में भाग गया. दूसरे ने कहा मुझे जंगल से डर लगता है. Circumstances can even make a lion scared of jungle. You can understand मनमोहन सिंह मेनी टाइम. आई एम नॉट, उसके नाम में सिंह है इसके लिए मैं बोला. सिंह मीन्स लायन, बट सर्कमस्टेंसेस मेड हिम टू वर्चुअली नॉट ओपन हिज माउथ. आज व्हाट्सएप पे जोक चल रहा है कि he was asked to open his mouth because there is a lot of criticism. He opened and said that अब की बार मोदी सरकार. He went to the urban area, city में गए, हो गया दूसरा दिन बुम्बा में. Everyone was alerted. The wildlife warden came. They sent a team in the forest. 4 दिन में फॉरेस्ट में जो भागा था लायन, उसको पकड़ के लाके अंदर डाल दिया. दूसरा जो शहर में गया था उसको पकड़ नहीं पाए. 1 महीना हो गया, 2 महीना. The one who was brought from jungle started feeling great respect for the lion who went to the city. बोला 1 महीना हो गया, 2 महीना पकड़ा नहीं, मेरे को 4 दिन में पकड़े. मुझे लग रहा था मैं पकड़ा नहीं जाऊंगा. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 महीने हो गए. एट द एंड ऑफ 8th month फाइनली वाज कॉट एंड ब्रॉट इन. तो उसने इसको सैल्यूट किया कि तो आई सैल्यूट यू बिकॉज यू मैनेज टू स्टे 8 months आउट. आई वॉज कॉट इन 4 days. व्हाट इज दैट यू डिड? सर कुछ नहीं किया, मैं गांव में चला गया, बड़ा बिल्डिंग दिखा दिया, उसके ऊपर लिखा था मंत्रालय, अंदर घुस गया, 4th floor राइट साइड में पूरी फाइलें रखी थी, उसके पीछे छुप गया. 8 महीना कोई भी नहीं गया. You now know where your file